Welcome to GKN Current Affairs Weekly, 3rd week, September 2020. Hey friends, this is Mahendra Vaishnav, getting into the most competitive question and answers to help you out in competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, etc. Friends, share this video among your friends and relatives and do subscribe to our YouTube channel VM9 India. Also give your comments to improve further. Good luck. Thank you.
Question 1. PM Narendra Modi launched 7 urban infrastructure projects in which state on September 15, 2020? Answer: Bihar. Question 2. Indian economy is expected to shrink by how much in 2020 as per Asian Development Bank? Answer: 9%. Question 3. The Union government has banned the export of which major vegetable? Answer: onion. Question 4. Who has been elected as Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman? Answer: Harivansh Narayan Singh. Question 5. Which nation has been elected as a member of the United Nations Commission on Status of Women for the period 2021 to 2025? Answer: India. Question 6. Scientists have detected potential signs of extraterrestrial life on which planets? Answer: Venus. Question 7. When was International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer observed? Answer: September 16th. Question 8. The United States has sanctioned a Chinese entity for seizing land for construction of the Dara Sakor development project in which nation? Answer: Cambodia. Question 9. Which nation stormed out of SCO meeting after display of a controversial map? Answer: India. Question 10. India signed a statement of intent to strengthen the dialogue on defense technology cooperation with which nation? Answer: United States. Question 11. Which two Gulf nations signed the historic Abraham Accords along with Israel to normalize ties? Answer: Bahrain, UAE. Question 12. Which nation has joined the Djibouti Code of Conduct Jeddah Amendment as observer? Answer: India. Question 13. When was the International Day of Democracy observed? Answer: September 15th. Question 14. Which city topped the Global Smart City Index 2020? Answer: Singapore. Question 15. Which construction company has won the bid for the construction of India's new parliament building? Answer: Tata Group. Question 16. Indian Army is ready which gun for operations in Ladakh amid tensions with China? Answer: Bofors. Question 17. PM Narendra Modi will soon be dedicating to the nation the historic Kosi Rail Mahasetu. It is located in which state? Answer: Bihar. Question 18. Which nation's government has revealed a plan of administering COVID-19 vaccine to all its citizens free of cost when it comes out? Answer: United States. Question 19. India has ranked at which position on the World Bank's annual Human Capital Index? Answer: 116th place. Question 20. The center has permitted how much foreign direct investment in defense production through automatic route? Answer: 74%. Question 21. Which Indian was named by the UN in the list of 2020 class of young leaders for sustainable development goals? Answer: Udit Singhal. Question 22. Which Union Cabinet Minister resigned from the ministry in protest against centre's alleged anti-farmer bills? Answer: Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Question 23. Which state has decided to provide cows to families with malnourished children? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Question 24. India's first exclusive private jet terminal has been inaugurated at which airport? Answer: Indira Gandhi International Airport. Question 25. Which app has been removed from Google Play Store? Answer: Paytm. Question 26. Which state has announced subsidy schemes for e-scooters, rickshaws? Answer: Gujarat. Question 27. Pakistan has decided to elevate the status of which region to a full-fledged province? Answer: Gilgit Baltistan. Question 28. Indian government has extended a USD 250 million loan to which countries? Answer: Maldives. Question 29. What is the name of India's first CRI-SPR COVID-19 test? Answer: Feluda. Question 30. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, known as the notorious RBG, passed away on September 18th. She served as the Supreme Court Justice of which nation? Answer: US, United States. Question 31. In a first, how many women officers have been selected to join the helicopter stream of the Indian Navy? Answer: 2. Question 32. Which TV series won the Emmy Award in the Outstanding Drama Series category? Answer: Succession. Question 33. Which TV series won the Emmy Award in the Outstanding Comedy Series category? Answer: Schitt's Creek. Question 34. Which country tops the total COVID-19 recoveries in the world? Answer: India. Question 35. Which nation has decided to resume its passenger railway services after a 7-year suspension? Answer: Nepal. Thank you.